just to know that I'm a part of this great history and where it's coming from, to know that people strive so hard to have a building, an association such as this. And to know that I am a part of it, it's a privilege. My name is Paulette Dill, and I am a member of First Baptist Church. I am an usher, I'm in the choir, and also assistant moderator. Knowing that they strived so much in what they went through to continue and keep the First Baptist from when Elder Christian came, and that we now are trying to continue that history with not just the elders, but with the young people working in the community, because I'm sure that's what they did in order for us to be here today. It's a matter of almost like a healing. If you've called for help, that means you're in need. So how can we help? Can we help you? We're together, we're united. And because of that unity, we're out there. Not just for us. Anyone can walk through those doors, and we have open arms. We not just a people or not just pews. We don't just sit here. We open, and especially with me being an usher, I see everyone that comes in those doors and the community outreach that we have. It's not just centered in here. Like anywhere can have four walls, but we go beyond that. When I first came here, it was basically mostly Nova Scotian background, and over the years, we've seen so many people come in. The leadership that we have now under the leadership of Pastor Wendell Gibbs is just amazing, and I can see the growth happening, especially with the diversity of young people that are coming in. Growth also in faith and growth in different backgrounds, and they bring all their cultures and it blends, and we break out from that. You know, I've learned a lot from my culture to everyone else's.